Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to fix if change your voice filter on the TikTok is not available for you or a voice filter is not working for you. How you can fix it. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store. Right here you have to search for the TikTok and you have to update your TikTok application and try to find out the voice filters on your TikTok. If it's not working, simply go back, tap a while on the TikTok, go to the info button. Now here you will see storage and the cache. Clear your cache from here and try to find out the voice filters on your TikTok. If still it's not working, here you will see clear storage. Just click on it and try to find out the voice filters on the TikTok. So these are the steps. If it's working, then good. If it's not working, maybe this feature is not available in your region anymore. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.